Hi, I'm Brian from Riverside Reptiles, and I got asked the question the other day, how do you know how much a snake weighs, especially a large snake, since it'd be very difficult to put them on a scale. So I'm going to show you how you weigh a large snake. So I just finished cleaning out the reticulated python's enclosure right in there, and she's about 12, 13 feet long. So she's not the easiest snake to handle, but hopefully we can hold her long enough to get a semi-accurate weight on her. So right here, I have just a regular bathroom scale. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to weigh myself. So let's see how much weight I gained this winter. Not too bad. I'm 182 pounds of solid muscle. So now, keep that number in my brain, 182 pounds. Now, here comes the fun part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her on my shoulders and then weigh myself again and just do the math, and we'll figure out, how heavy she is. So this should be the entertaining part of trying to balance a very large python on my shoulders while standing on a scale. So let's see how this goes. That's my old man grunt. Alright, so far, so good. Oh, no, it's not going. Alright, almost got her. Alright. Come on, scale, hurry up, zero yourself. This is the tricky part. Come on. 264. Okay, let's get her back in her cage. Go back in. Whew. Nope. That's not in. There you go. Come on, go in. As you can see, pythons are not good listeners. There she goes. Come on. All right. All right. So let's do the math. So 264 minus 182. Hold on. I might need a calculator for this one. And plus I'm out of breath. All right, so she's 82 pounds, which is just about my guess. I was guessing she's between 80 and 90 pounds somewhere. So that's how you weigh large snakes. Now, obviously, once a snake gets over 100 pounds, even in over 200 pound range, that tactic you can't do it because it's unless you're a professional strongman. So there's other scales you can use. You can use commercial scales to do that. But that's how I weigh my snakes. So hope you learned something. Hope you had fun watching the video.